Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt, and the drink I'll be preparing today is called a Pearl Harbor, which is named after Pearl Harbor, right? So this is a drink very similar to a Midori Sour. Instead of incorporating sweet and sour as its mixer, we're going to use pineapple juice, right? So let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of Midori Sour. And last, we're going to go 5 ounces of pineapple juice. Give this a nice little stir. It's already kind of cold because pineapple juice is in the fridge, so the ice just adds a little bit extra to it. So now we're going to pour this in an old-fashioned glass or a rocks glass. Now there you have it, a Pearl Harbor. I like it. Real fruity, right? The pineapple juice. It's pretty strong. 5 ounces is a lot of pineapple juice. So this isn't a very strong cocktail. So this is a safe cocktail to drink a lot of and socialize, right? Really good combination with the pineapple, the Midori, and the vodka. Really good, really good. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.